Go.
The cabinet, some at all, or here. I'd like to begin with ang aid ko sa Secretary ko, and introduce to you the deputy sa defense natin, used to be a general in the army, General Doctor. Ang spokesman is from above. He's a pastor actually. He's earning earlier.
Ano naman pagdating sa akin? Tawag pagdating sa akin.
Si Pato. The pride of the PNP. Secretary Gaetano.
Senator.
Si Mayor Lani. Mayor Lani o Tagi. Si Martin Andalar. Napakasya muna siya sa Hollywood. Andun ata ito sa trabaho doon. Then si ating Secretary sa Trade, si Ramon Lopez. Ang Secretary ng Labor namin, si Dinyo, si Bebot Belio. Sa Moinyo, Ilocano, Bebot, sa Wela, Davao. We have si Secretary Major Dian. Secretary. Ito yung parang next to the President. Yung never I'm out of town.
Little big President.
Siya yun. The usual Friday man of any President for that matter is really the Executive Secretary. And we have Perfecto Yasay. And si Secretary Kelvin Lorenzana, Defense Secretary. And Juan Teo, ang ating President. And the National Security Advisor ko, si Gerald Strong. Yung idol natin lahat. Kung sa'yo na mag-boxing, mauntak ka. We have your Ambassador, Montero. And ang mga abogado ng mga artista. Panelo, presidential advisor, legal advisor. Then we have the
Chief of Staff. Anyo.
Chief of Staff, General
Anyo.
Chief of Staff,
ating Chief of Staff. Si Armed Forces of the Philippines. General Miranda sa amin. Ay, kasi laser ako. May ear-sighted, I have my eyes. Laser to allow me, to enable me to look at back. Kasi nagmumoto ako. But kung kaya, masyado mga ilaw, mag-reflect ang Sabi ko na sa inyo, kumain natin dito sa Bumulga. Dito ko na yung Pilipina na magaganda. Kung yung mga lalaki, harap na lang kayo ng inyong negosyo dito. I'm really impressed by the attendance tonight. And I'd like also to report to you what is happening to our country. But of course, you know that there are only about 3 fundamental promises that they made during the campaign. And I thought that I'd focus on the need for the moment, the burning issues. So yung una, at the outset, during the campaign, I was not able to file my certificate of candidacy, for I did not really want to run. Kasi, pera tapos, I am just a little guy in a city down south. Hindi naman ako national figures, unlike the others, of course, the high-profile senators and mga kalaban ko. Well, Binay was known and always in the land for being the mayor of Makati. But kung nakita ko sila na linya yan sila, announce na kaya about Mindanao, alam mo, kung hindi natin nabigyan ng importansya, sasabog ka lang ng Pilipino. And you might just see one day na nawala na sa atin yan. Ganito kasi na, kung dyan ang landed in the Philippines, in Leyte, and brought with him first Christianity. And with him, the cannons, the gunpowders, the muskets, the rifle of the old generation. And Markham, Susan Rival, Superior, Candidates, yung mga bangkaw pati, yung mga Boanaro, Panak. And so they were able to conquer the Visayas and Luzon easily. And of course, also with brutality. You cannot just imagine that they came there with open arms from our forefathers. Of course, there was a rebellion, there was a fight. But they were really white-looking Caucasians who were new to the Visayan and Luzon landscape. And the fact that they had the superior coat of arms, they were able to, we capitulated out of others in Philippines. And so Christianity was glorious, but they saw Mindanao. But the entire Philippines before they came was really part of the Sri Visayas Empire of the Malays. Nung nakita ng mga Spaniards that it was really below the time of them, and they could plant anything that whatever tapo mo lang it would grow. They realized that the wind currents of the world was really going up. And that is why, for example, the fact that ang Samar lately is the window of the Pacific. Kaya tayo tinatamaan. Pag ang typhoon, there is a warming up of the atmosphere. Pag nag-mix yan, it becomes a terrible thing. And to begin, first, really, well, of course, if it starts in between Guam and the Philippines, then ang unang tamaan natin by Samar. And that was a Yolanda was very, very relevant. Pero, sa Mindanao nakita nila, but they were limited to the coastal areas. They were not able to penetrate Mindanao into the entrails because malakas ang opposition. What is that opposition? Islam. Ang post nila, Islam. That is why we fought the Spaniards, fought the Americans, and they're still fighting us. And everybody, every time we talk about politics and Philippines, I did not say anybody before I spoken about this citizens and Philippines. So don't happen to pati yung drugs. They will just, sa panana, we will take care of drugs. It turned out, kita mo yun, it was not that easy. But the next mayor in Davao City, that was really very, very strict, especially for drugs. And it was my usual marking. And of course, it was carried on